Buenos dias, good afternoon, good evening guys. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel for the newcomers. My name is Didi Tahutu, and yes, I am the guy that 4 years ago, almost 5 years ago, went all into Bitcoin after selling his house, his companies and everything else. I am now on the top of one of the balconies in this beautiful hotel here, Escape Tulum. It's near La Valletta. It's like this area, a really chill area, and this hotel is amazing. I'm on the top of a balcony, or how do you call it? A terrace over here. They have a beautiful jacuzzi. Like you can see, they have amazing pool view over there. So yes, one beautiful apartment that you can also rent for long term, but that's not what you want to talk about. You want to talk about Bitcoin, blockchain and life. So let's jump into the Bitcoin and blockchain and life news for today, guys. I have some amazing Bitcoin charts, really cool charts that will help you not to freak out, but zoom out to what is happening at the moment. Yes, you need to see this. You need to see this. Don't skip these charts. They are very important to give you this relaxed Zen mindset that I have here in Mexico as well. So now you can see my eyes as well. And then of course talking about the news, some really cool news, and yes, also showing you some Bam Bam and TikTok results. Enjoy today's video, guys. Bam! Let's jump first into the Bitcoin TA part, the power bomb. You really cool charts. Oh yeah, I'm going to try to do the TA part behind my laptop so I can, scroll through the charts a little bit better so you get a better overview. I can zoom into some areas I want you to see. So let's see if that one, the combination of me running around in the wild and behind my laptop, creates more beautiful videos with a little bit more like value in these videos. Check this. Bam! Let's take a look at this one, guys. This is the 4-hour chart. Like you can see here on the top, 4-hour Bybit Heiken Ashi candles, guys. This was this huge bull flag that we broke out of to the upside. And what are we doing at the moment? That is the big question, guys. Is this again a bullish pattern, like a flag, a bullish falling wedge or a rising wedge? You can see these patterns all over the internet. You can, if you just Google, you can see, you have a bullish flag pattern, you have a bullish pennant pattern, a bullish falling wedge, but all those bullish patterns, they always continue to the upside. So are we seeing the same? Is this again the flagpole? Is this again forming a bullish pattern where we go to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, maybe 43K, and bam, explode? And if we would explode then, guys, yes, we would need to explode with the length of this one. And the length of this one would bring us, let's see, we explode over here somewhere, would bring us to, bam, 72 or 74K even. If we would do the same thing we did here, forming this bullish flag pattern, breaking out with the length of the pole that we have here, now again forming this beautiful bullish pattern, which could break out to the upside almost all the way to the 70K. To show you a little bit more, these are the patterns. You can also have the bearish flag patterns. These continue to the downside. Let's take a look at this chart, guys. Really important chart, because this one is for me the parabolic chart that we have been sharing. I've been sharing for a couple of times, guys. This is this parabolic trend line support, the orange one coming up here. Beautiful bending up. This moment, I posted the chart for the first time over here. Now you can see this, the updated part. Yes, we went up, not completely to this one yet, and we came down again to this line. So this is also showing you this bullish flag or pattern, or again, this bullish falling wedge. That is what I think at the moment. So if this would be a bullish falling wedge, then yes, we would break out again. This one is also saying we would be breaking out to here 65 all the way up maybe to 70K. This is a parabolic trend line. That is the support we are searching. That is really cool, guys. Some other things that I want to share with you is about this one here, paid. I've already talked many times of paid, and everybody's asking me, Didi, when should I buy paid? We are now at $2.77 at paid, guys. Paid has already gone to $5, like you can see on this chart over here. Like if we zoom out a little bit, you can see we already were at $5. We are at $2.76. That's almost the half of where we were at Paid. Paid is, developing beautiful, beautiful projects every day again, launching them with ignition. I don't think that Paid will be going down. Like you can see, we see the reversal of the trend here. I think before you know it, we are above 3K at $3. We are going to go back to $3.50. And yes, we will visit this $4 area as well. So in my opinion, paid is a really good currency to invest in because the project is like solid. Let's take a look because we are now on the chart. Let's take a look at family, guys. Family, bam, here we have the family also doing okay. We have a total liquidity of 300,000 US dollar already. That's a beautiful number. We are only started like 3 months ago. Let's take a look at family. Yeah, our all-time high was $55 cents, almost $65 cents. Yes, we are, just copying Ethereum move. So I think we will be going up to 45, maybe to 50 again as well. So yes, also the family token is a beautiful token to invest in at the moment. Bam! Let's take a look at some more really cool stuff while I'm behind the laptop. I'm going to share with you this. Bam. This is the BAM trades, guys. Yes, the BAM BAM indicator. We traded yesterday again. We traded with a dollar, $500 with a leverage of 10. I didn't have a lot of time. The reason I don't have all the time to trade at the moment is, that we are searching for something cool to stay for a longer time on the beach as well. We are now like 2 kilometers from the beach, a beautiful building here, apartment complex. I will show you around a little bit, and there's really amazing people. But I love the beach vibe, and I need to get up in the morning and see the sunrise, and do my beach walk and talk. That's just how I feel best. But like you can see, I did this $500 trade at the leverage of 10. I only did one short. I entered the short here. I need to shut off these things. I entered the short, and when this candle closed down below the yellow stepping line, we already saw the short flag. That's the first indication. That's the warning. Be aware, we are going to see a short. Then we close the candle below this yellow stepping line. That is the first confirmation to take the short. Then we look to this one here over there. We can see the green declining. We can see that is showing less than 20. The level 20, you can see at this time, that was also a confirmation. We are going below 20. We could see the yellow already forming, even blue coming in. So yes, second confirmation. We could see this white line over here going downwards, and we can see the blue line is not breaking the white line to the upside. And at this point, we can see it going down. Third confirmation. Then here, the TikTok indicator. This is the TikTok. This is the Bam Bam. The TikTok was jumping from a green to a red dot. And from the green to the red dot, while crossing this upper band line, is the fourth indication. These are all the indicators that you get when you buy the TikTok or the Bam Bam indicator. I need to shut off the Discord because else you will be seeing that pop up every time again. All those arrows indicate when we are red, 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 we are not going to stop the trade. The moment we cross this bottom line again with a red one, that is probably the moment we will stop the trade. And we can stop it a little bit later as well when the dots turn green again, or when we break up to this white line, or when we see this flag. That is all up to you. We stopped out a little bit early, and that is what you can see, but we still had an 8.4% profit with a leverage of 10, 84%. So all in all, we made a $400 profit with a trade of 500 US dollar. Really cool. The next chart I want to share with you guys, also very important, is BAM, this one, because you need to realize how many huge companies, public traded companies, are now hodling Bitcoin. We have MicroStrategy with 70,000 Bitcoins. We have Tesla with 43,000 Bitcoins. We have Galaxy Digital Holdings with 16,000 Bitcoins, Square with 8,000 Bitcoins. All of these publicly traded companies already hodl Bitcoins in their portfolio or on their balance sheet. And I think it will be more and more. Midnight keeps, I need to close the Discord because they keep screwing up my screen. So yes, all these public companies are holding Bitcoins, and this list will become longer and longer and longer, guys, way much longer. This is very cool. Then I have another really cool chart. This one, bam, this one, the Bitcoin monthly option expiry, guys. We can see every time we expire with these options, we see a run of about 30%, expire a run of 30%, expire a run of more than 30%, expire a huge run again. We are just about to near the moment. I think it's today between 7:30 and 8:30 a.m. UTC that these options expire. So Friday, last Friday of the month, always between 7:30 and 8:30, these options expire. And when we see this expiration of the options, we can expect again, bam, a 30% run. A 30% run of 50K is 10% is 5K, 30% is 15K. So that would be from 40K again up to 55K. So yes, we can see this happening every time again when these options expire. This could happen today again. So that would mean this weekend we would see a huge run again to 50K, and then probably on Monday fall back again to this 40K level because of the CME gap that needs to close on the Monday when the people start to work again. But that is how I think about the charts.
That were all the charts for today. I hope you really enjoyed the charts. Let's now jump into the blockchain news part, the part where I'll talk to you about the news I read this morning during my delicious cup of coffee in Mexico, Tulum. Bam! The first news I read this morning was about Australia. It's about the Aussies. Is that like, can I say Aussies? Is that disrespectful? No, the Aussies. The Aussies did this beautiful survey. I think 2,000 investors filled the survey, and they admitted that more Aussies are nowadays buying cryptocurrency than gold and silver. It was 12.6% of the Aussies that buy cryptocurrency, 12.1% of the investors buy metals like gold and silver. 63% of them, that's the biggest part, of course, they still buy and believe in shares. 25% is investing still in property. I'm not going to invest in property or real estate. No, I'm staying in crypto, guys, because crypto is a huge kick-ass return on investment that we will never reach with real estate or property. So I would advise those Aussie, sell your property like I did, go all into crypto and really start to make profits. Bam! And of all those crypto investors, they hodl about 80% of them hodls Bitcoin, 42% hodls Ethereum, 28% hodls Ripple. What the fuck are you doing? Stop hodling this Ripple shit, man. Take something decentralized. Don't hodl too much Ripple, guys. Believe me, it's not the currency you want to be investing in. If you want to support the true Bitcoin revolution of disrupting the monetary system, you must not be investing in Ripple, in my opinion. But who am I? I'm a dude on a balcony in a hotel in Mexico and Tulum that has no ability of giving you any financial advice. So let that be very clear. Bam! Another news that I read is that the MIT, together with some huge names in the industry, are now trying to make this whole Bitcoin industry even more stable, even more secure. So they are taking care of the security of Bitcoin. I think it's the Winklevoss twins. It is Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy. I think it's Jack Dorsey and CoinShares, and the combination of these with MIT, they are now trying to make sure that this Bitcoin blockchain stays secure. Really important news, because that means that all the people that are heavily invested now into Bitcoin also support, the technical fundamentals of Bitcoin to keep it secure, so that the next couple of 10, 20 years we will still be invested in a very secure blockchain-based peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that is slowly transforming into the digital gold of the 21st century. Yes, I agree, with really positive news that the big names start to support the technical development now as well. Bam! Then some really crazy news. I think a month or two ago I made some news about this beautiful art piece, NFT art piece, that was sold for, I think, $1 million or $1.5 million. That now, that art piece was called like Crossroads. That one is now sold for 6.6 million US dollar. I think it's the highest value ever sold for an NFT. 6.6 million US dollar. That's a huge amount for a digital art piece that we refer to in crypto as a non-fungible token, a NFT. 6.6 million US dollar. If I was you, I would start to create digital NFTs now right away and try to sell them all for 6.6 million US dollar. Maybe for 100k, maybe for 1k. You know, whatever you get for it, it's all beautiful because it is incentivizing your skill in creating art. Bam! Getting windy on top of here, guys. And there is one more news I want to share with you. You know, JP Morgan, do you still remember that? Nobody needs to invest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a scam. If one of my employees will invest in Bitcoin, he will lose his job. That JP Morgan, Jamie Dimon, I think is his name. They now are advising their whole clientele to invest 1% of their assets in Bitcoin. So they now did a note to all their investors at JP Morgan. Please guys, be aware to not skip Bitcoin. Invest 1% of your portfolio now into Bitcoin while you hear this beautiful Mexican sound in the back. Yes, Mexican food truck or something. Yes, so now JP Morgan telling their people you need to hedge 1% of your portfolio into Bitcoin to protect your capital. How crazy does it need to get? First calling it a scam and now advising it to their clients. That is exactly what Bitcoin is doing to the world. It will be convincing everyone that this is the perfect hedge for not losing any capital during this huge crisis that we are going to see because of the lockdown of 2 years. Yes, this is the 21st century goal that you can get into now as well in a very simple non-KYC way if you want. If you want to do a KYC way, you just buy it directly with your bank or even use your bank as a custodial service. It's all already possible. So be aware of the evolution of technology and of the evolution of money and of the evolution of gold. And all of these three are combined in one beautiful thing we call Bitcoin. Bam! That was all the news for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment because I love to respond to your comments. Thanks for watching. Always remember to zoom out in Bitcoin and to zoom in at life. Try to enjoy every single minute of the day, as that is exactly what life should be about. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, see you tomorrow again. Bye. Bam.